So hey guys, welcome back to my channel 2K2 Vlogs. My name is Karthik this is my 7th vlog and today's weather is pretty good till now. So in today's video I'll try to show you the things, how did I get my RX 135. It was actually gifted by my uncle. I have asked him when I was in my 12th grade. I wanted it because in that age we always want to show off the things which we have to our friends. So I asked him to restore the bike. It was actually 1999 model, as I have told you in the first vlog. So he immediately made the thing in just a span of 1 month, and he presented me the RX 135 actually. So that was the bike. It was actually in the black color, which was the well recognized color in the RX. It is a 4-speed, and it has I'm in BTech first year right now. So as I have told you that RX 135 age of 17, and right now I'm of 18. So I have used it for a year now. So I have pretty well sorted out some things that I don't like about the RX which I'm having, and the things I'm seriously which are very good with my bike, which I didn't expected before I was getting it. And I have started riding this bike before restoration, though I was at the class of 8th, maybe most probably I remember. Then also I was in grade 8 when I firstly rided RX 135 black color. It was of black color. So it was my pretty experience. The experience was very good. So अब तक मैं प्रैक्टिस तो कुछ किया नहीं, पूरा इंग्लिश में आप लोगों को कंटेंट कन्वे करने के लिए पूरा इंग्लिश में ट्राई किया, क्योंकि मैंने जैसे बोला था आई विल गिव माई द बेस्ट टू कन्वे माई थिंग्स, माई कंटेंट टू यू गाइज. दीज व्लॉग्स आर टोटली फॉर यू गाइज. और आगे आगे और अच्छे व्लॉग्स आएंगे. सो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम में भी कुछ फॉलोअर्स ने बोला था कि विल मीट समडे, वी आर ऑल्सो सम राइडर्स, वी वांट टू एनकरेज गाइज लाइक यू. सो श्योर, व्हाई नॉट, we'll meet up once this season of COVID-19 is done. We are done with it. We'll surely meet. I'll introduce them. They are pretty well. So yeah, let's go into the vlog. Because I'm shooting outdoor, because of the thing, I was very bored that I have been shooting my all 6 vlogs at my home talking to you guys. So I have taken some outdoor things now today to vlog. I have come outdoor. So to improvise the thing, audio quality, I have taken a earphone, a basic kind of earphone, Samsung's basic kind of earphone. I have made a setup like this. I think it will focus me up here. Yeah, this is the mic thing. It's different it. So it is taking my voice. I'm recording with my phone, and I'll be trying to overlap this thing. And I'm not sure will it go a pretty well thing. Let's see. पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं. ये सब नॉइजेस भी ज़्यादा हैं, क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास फ़िलहाल एक्सटर्नल माइक तो है नहीं. और आज बहुत कुछ बात करेंगे, जैसे कि मेरा DSLR में कौन कौन से लेंसेज अब तक मैं यूज़ करता हूँ. वैसे बड़े अच्छे प्राइम लेंसेज तो है नहीं, बस बेसिक बिगनर्स के साथ जो किट लेंस आता है, Nikon 5300 और बाकी DX मॉडल्स के कैमरास में जो लेंसेज आते हैं, जैसे 55mm का है मेरे पास एक प्राइम लेंस, और 70 to 300 सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. 70 to 300 वाला भी एक है जूम लेंस. एट प्रेजेंट मेरे पास 2 लेंस है, और आई एम थिंकिंग टू बाय 35mm प्राइम लेंस. because I need to get some wide angle shots and some cinematic shots for you. So yeah, here we are with our bike. So I'll be shooting it like this with my phone. So guys, the first thing which I don't like in this bike is the seat, which is way too narrow to sit. Personally, a guy like me. So let me clean it a bit. And the other problem is with the number plate, and the problem is this thing. I don't know why there is no locking to this thing. We can just easily remove it. There are no nuts to it, no joints. Even though there are nuts, they have spray painted it and the nut is jammed to open. It's been sealed, so we can't open it. Don't know why. I always worry about the thing while riding into the pit holes, because the number plate may be loose and will be falling down. The other thing is this bad paint job. After the restoration, this is the only complaint with the restoration job I am having. This thing, without any personal dropping of a bike or bad usage of my bike, this paint job is getting wear out. This thing, you see? Don't know why. Okay, the next thing is the side stand. And the problem with the side stand is that, let me show you. Yeah. So it's so thin that it keeps bending whenever we lean it on the either side. Don't know. And even the center stand has some problems. Both the legs don't be parallel. Sometimes one of the legs pushes up because of some obstacles while parking on non-plane surface, and you see the chip crack. Because of this, the stand gets bended more, so that I have to change the stand once in a year. And the other thing is this blinker. This always cracks out. The back one, I have changed it 4 times till now. Because of bending of the side stand, the vehicle mostly falls down every time. So it's a 1x1 linked issue. So after the quarantine, I would mostly change this thing. And the cables are also too weak sometimes. They unscrew themselves because of the vibrations produced by the vehicle while running. The speedometer is too delicate, and this material which meant to casing of the handle and the cables is also very delicate. As you can see, it always starts tearing down. See how cheap the material is. So I'll be getting changed these things, blinker, most probably after quarantine. happened is the dirtiest thing that can ever be happening with a vlogger. I had run out with the space on my phone. Yeah, maybe आज ही होना था. So whatever. Again it will shut down. So I will continue the video. So the 55mm lens about what I was talking is this thing. See, my camera is a DX one. So DX 55mm, 18 to 55mm, 5.6. This is a F thing. Yeah, focus thing. AFP auto focus. P का मतलब मत पूछो, मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम. S होता तो it was silent actually. This fancy thing button which actually releases the burst the zoom thing out. This is the focus one, lens को focal करने के लिए. This is the 55 and the zoom बड़ा वाला. So memory फिर से ख़त्म हो गया है. deleted some more photos and then started the video recording. So audio थोड़ा strong होगा दादी से. I have to be loud. So this was the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this thing pretty well. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and share if it's possible. Or let's meet with a new vlog in a new vlog. Bye.